Comparisons. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as toast, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost, strong as an ox, weak as kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time midnight, daytime noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. Anonymous. The poem Comparison by an anonymous poet celebrates the diversity of the universe. The poem's central idea is given in the second to last line, and the first 6 stanzas have an ABCB rhyme scheme. The poem uses simile as a figure of speech, and some say the poem's structural quality is a special feature. One reader says the poem made them think about the world's diversity for the first time. Readers can gain insight into the poet's intended message by examining the poem's language and structure. Now here is an activity which is live English tourism. Sindhudurg, which is in Maharashtra, is a unique sea fort. Location: Sindhudurg Fort is located on the southernmost edge of Maharashtra coast. History: a sea fort built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Languages: Marathi, Hindi, English. Best time to visit: winter. Where to stay: MTDC Holiday Resort. The resort at Tarkarli has 10 cottages with 20 sea-facing double bedrooms and 1 houseboat. What to see: temples of Maruti, Bhavani, Chhatrapati Shivaji. How to get there? By air. The nearest international airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. By rail. The nearest railhead is Sindhudurg on the Konkan Railway. Kankavli and Kudil are the other important railway stations nearby. By road, Mumbai to Tarkarli, 540 km. Sites nearby: Sawantwadi, Malvan City, Tarkarli Beach, Redi Ganesh Temple, Vijayadurg, Kunkeshwar Temple, Amboli. Next is the Tadoba National Park, Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, the wildlife haven of Vidarbha. Location: it is located on the outskirts of Chandrapur district. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. Languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, Tribal. The best season to visit: 15th of October to 15th of June. Hot summers are the ideal time to view mammals near water sources. Where to stay: MTDC Jungle Resort, Mohrali offers self-contained rooms, ideal for families. The rooms are comfortable and offer a fine lake view. How to get there? By air. The nearest airport is Nagpur, 205 km. By rail, nearest railhead is Chandrapur, 45 km. By road, Chandrapur to Tadoba, 45 km. Straight transport buses ply from Chandrapur to Tadoba. Attractions: tiger, panther, bison, sloth bear, hyena, jackal, wild dog, sambar, leopard and barking deer. Sites nearby: Bhadravati, Markanda, Bhamraghar and Anandvan. Next activity: live English online shopping. Read the following conversation between two cousins. Tejaswini: Hi Santosh, what are you thinking about? Hi Teju, next week is Didi's birthday. We want to give her a surprise gift. Tejaswini: Great idea. What is your surprise gift? Santosh: Well, we don't have any big shops here. There is little to choose from. Nothing new or surprising. Tejaswini: So why don't you try online shopping? Santosh: Is it safe? Tejaswini: Yes, it is. If we take proper care, it is one of the most convenient ways of shopping. Plus, you will get so much variety. Santosh: True, but I don't know how to do it. Tejaswini: It's okay, I will show you. Do you have an internet connection? Santosh: Yes. Tejaswini: That is good then. We can do it in 5 easy steps. Let's start. Online shopping in 5 easy steps. Now the first step is to sign up or register. You can sign up and create your account. Now second step is to choose. Browse and select the product of your choice from the given categories. Now the third step is to add to cart. Add your product to the cart. Fourth is to pay. Pay the total amount via online banking, debit card or pay cash on delivery. Fifth step is to take delivery. Check your product when it is delivered to you. Here is how you can do online shopping in very 5 easy steps. Hope you understood. The Golden Feather. One day the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met an old woman. The old woman said, If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins. Sorry, said the queen. Then she met the little prince. He said, Oh, Mama, what a bright, beautiful feather. Take it, my dear, said the queen. Keep it safe. I think the moral of the story is very clear that it deals with greed and its consequences. And she gives the feather to the prince who doesn't ask for the feather and just appreciates it.